let's make this beautiful cauliflower into something much, much more. My love for cauliflower has been restored again. Thank goodness me and cauliflower are friends again. However, I do not want to buy fresh cauliflower because nobody wants to struggle and all the messiness that come with cleaning up, all the bugs and secret things, whatever. So we buy frozen cauliflower that has defrosted, and now I'm gonna cut it in little flower buds, and we're gonna have some deep fried cauliflower that's gonna be crispy, delicious, and really easy to make. So I went to the Asian supermarket and I found a tempura butter mix. This is vegan. If you go to any Asian supermarket and you find something like this, just confirm looking at the ingredients, but most of them are indeed vegan for my experience. However, just double check. So we're gonna use this, and additionally we're gonna add smoked paprika. And that's it, because the butter mix already has wheat flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, flavor enhancer, which normally is MSG, and white pepper powder. So that's already here, and we don't need to add more anything excessive because we can also use more sauces. And then we're gonna take some panko bread and coat it on top. This is really simple. Gonna use some water. We want a thick butter, but not too thick, okay? The goal is to emulate the texture of eggs when you deep fry things. Common non-vegan household might use eggs, and I think that's mostly what people do. So you want a butter that is thick, but that has some movement and fluidity. If you don't have panko bread, you can just use normal breadcrumbs. I just prefer panko because the crumbs are bigger. Now it's simple. I have 1 spoon and 1 fork. We're gonna dip our cauliflower bud in the butter, and then with the fork we're gonna remove the excess and dip it in the panko bread. That's it. Easy. Now we do this for all of it. I'm using another board just to make sure that I keep the ones that are already done on the side. This is the type of meal that everybody will love, and you can also just make it for yourself. But if you have a gathering, it's a best way to present cauliflowers, in my opinion. Now from here, I guess if you are health conscious, you can air fry them or do them in the oven. But if you're gonna do them in the oven or air fry them, you should put a little bit of oil in the batter, because or else it's not gonna be as yummy as it has the potential to be. Now, if you were at home, you would just finish this, and then we need to put some oil because we're gonna deep fry these ones. Baba?
Yeah.
Do you wanna try?
How can I try?
Come here. So we have for sauces, sriracha mayo. This is the vegan one they have. We have some vegan truffle mayo, and then we have ketchup because Matthias likes ketchup. He's broken. I go alone. I'm gonna try one with the spicy mayo because it's my favorite. Cheers. First bite for you. Nice. I think they need a little bit of lemon. Let me put a bit of the truffle mayo. That's what I'm talking about. Ketchup. Oh, why is the ketchup water? The ketchup without sugar.
Just brush my teeth. I still have the toothpaste flavor. Is not gonna be nice. So can I eat later?
No. Love is dead in this house. Just so you know. Thank you for watching another video. I truly appreciate you. You are amazing. See you next week. Bye-bye.